To set up hotspot in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, let's start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to click on the connection and sharing. Go for personal hotspot on the top and make sure that this option is active. After that, your hotspot will be enabled. Then we can go to hotspot settings to adjust everything that we need. First thing is a name. You can pick a different name on how your hotspot will appear to others. So you can change it to whatever you like. And the second option is a password. So here you'll be able to change to different password for your hotspot. If somebody tries to connect, he will need to enter the password that is visible right here. If you want to remove password and have open hotspot, then select none in security options. That way, as you can see, the password is gone. And of course, if you want password, just pick any WPA protocol from this list. Then there's option to change AP band. So there's 2.4G and 5G. And the difference is 2.4G is more compatible. That means older devices will be able to connect with your hotspot without any problem if you have 2.4, but it has a bit lower speed than 5G. Now 5G has a faster speed, but at the same time would be supported by some recent devices, not every device in the world. So make sure to pick the one that is better for you. If somebody has a problem connecting, then change to 2.4. It doesn't cost you anything. Last option is hide hotspot. You can enable it, and that way your hotspot will be hidden. And if somebody tries to connect, he will need to do it manually through direct Wi-Fi. Let's cancel it, and then we can go to connection management. That way you'll be able to see block list. This is a block list of all of the devices that you've blocked from your hotspot. Devices connection limit, how many devices can be connected to your hotspot. Data usage limit, how much those devices can use your data for example 100 megabytes. Then we have the automatically turn off personal hotspot. So if nobody connects for a certain amount of time, in this case 10 minutes, your hotspot will turn off automatically to save your battery and data. So you can just enable it right here. That way it will automatically be managed. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.